Today, we're tackling a common issue many Instagram users face: the primary and general message options not showing up in direct messages. If you're struggling with this, don't worry, I'll walk you through some easy fixes. First things first, let's make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and check for any updates. If there is any update available, go ahead and install it. Next, try logging out of your Instagram and then logging back in. To do this, go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal bars, scroll down and simply click on Logout. Once you're logged out, sign back in and check if the options reappeared. Sometimes the issue can be related to your messages settings. Again, on settings, select privacy, and here you can find on messages and story replies. Make sure your settings allow messages from everyone or specific accounts as you prefer. Here, as you can see, just manage all of these settings of message and story replies as your preference. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache might help. To do that, go to simply settings and on apps, find Instagram and select stories. There you'll see an option to clear cache. This can help fix any temporary issues with the app. If the problem still persists, you might want to uninstall and install the Instagram app again. This can help reset any underlying issues. Just make sure to remember your login details before doing this. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions help you get the primary and general messages options back on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.